Everything is so green on Green Street, the world exploding with spring. The green in the grass and the green in the trees almost want to make me sing. Only a few days and weeks ago, Green Street was silent and still. Snow covered the ground and tall trees, and the air was filled in a chill. Then like a man waking from a long sound sleep, Green Street suddenly came alive. Grass and leaves seemed to pop out of nowhere, and wonderful green things began to arrive. Everything is green on Green Street. The sunbeams warm and bright light. The trees raise their huge leafy arms to the sky, and the whole world is beautiful green sight. Bright colored tulips sway in the breeze. Over the fence, neighborhoods have stories to tell. Green Street is noisy and bursting with life. Spring melodies are being to swell. Everyone's joining the Green Street parade. Folks are marching and step to the beat. The air is alive with sound of laughter and song. Everything is so green on Green Street.